What is going on, my YouTube friends? So yes, back out in the pole barn again today. I didn't get a lot done, but I got some done. So let's turn this around and show you what we got going on. Because I told you every time I did something, I was gonna make a video. First off, I got me one of these little pancake compressors. That little sucker works pretty good, you know. And you know, I got my bench and I got my little table and I got all that. So, I am getting the bottom portion pretty much together. And that broken board, I just cut another piece and put it in there. So yeah, we're getting things together. So I got all down here. If I really felt like it, I'd probably get these three pieces and get the bottom of this back wall done. And then we got to do that wall right there. So we have things moving along. I'm getting things done. And some of the cuts are turning out really well and some of them not so well. But hey, you know, we'll fix those up. I'm not really worried about it. Because like I said, we're putting another coat, another foam board straight up and down, 2 inch on that. So there'll be 3.5 inch of foam board around all the inside. So I was just kind of giving you guys an update and showing you what we got going on. So I was working on it. Dad come out and help me a little bit, but you know, back in the day, me and him together would have this done. But you know, he's 95 years old, but hey, at least he still wants to get out here and help. You know, his measurements are pretty much off too, so he can't measure like he once could. But I figured I would show you my progress. So, yep. But anywho, you guys are awesome, man. I really appreciate you coming back, watching my videos. You know what I mean? You guys got some great ideas. I've used some of them. Some of them I haven't used because I've already got that step ahead. But you guys are awesome, and I really appreciate you. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. But we are still moving forward. Yeah, buddy.